Every day it is getting more attractive to start selling wholesale items online and offline because of the profit potential many products carry. Nowadays, if you plan to make a part-time income or make a full-time living by selling wholesale items, you need to know 3 basic components that almost every seller online and offline do not use to their advantage. In order to have success within the wholesale business, you need to follow the 3 steps. Key components 98% average Joe marketer does not apply and fails to recognize as vital important factors for company short-term and long-term success as competition is getting heavier every day. Such key steps are: key component number 1, research. Product and market research both online and offline is a must for the initial startup success of a potential profitable wholesale business. You need to discover what wholesale items are profitable, which items are viable and saturated, item acceptance nationally or worldwide, market population, item conversion rate, return on investment and competition research to name a few. Know how to make this research before deciding to sell a product and, more importantly, a wholesale item. Since when we sell wholesale, profits are less since we sell to merchants, retailers or clients and therefore need more research time to enjoy possible future profits. Key component number 2, test. Most successful businesses test their product and system before even starting to sell the main item both online or offline. One of the tools you can use for your immediate advantage is the use of surveys. By using and completing a survey to a potential customer, you obtain valuable rapport on customer likes and dislikes about your idea, product or business concept. Use this free survey resource to your advantage before selling for immediate feedback. Key component number 3, take action. Start offering the wholesale item for a fee and gather final conclusions if your item will or will not sell. By doing the proper research, testing and getting into an action process mode, you will win or lose money. No matter what happens in your sales experience with your new item, you earn profits or you gain considerable knowledge and experience. Very importantly, you must take action with your new idea or recurring wholesale business venture, as doing so will increase your experience and potential profit success within your niche and industry. Don't miss out on my top 3 recommended simple business opportunities by clicking the links in the description of this video. Like and subscribe. I wish you great success.